Mastering Mixed Conditionals, a gateway to fluent English. Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today we're delving into the world of mixed conditionals in English. This is an important part of intermediate grammar that can truly make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, let's get started. Mixed conditionals are a combination of two different types of conditional sentences. Unlike pure conditionals, where we stick to one tense or condition, mixed conditionals allow us to talk about a condition in the past affecting a result in the present, or a condition in the present affecting a result in the past. There are two main types of mixed conditionals. 1. Past condition with present result. Here, the if clause is in the third conditional, past perfect, and the main clause is in the second conditional, unreal present. Example: if I had studied harder at school, I wouldn't be working in this job now. Present or future condition with past result. Here, the if clause is in the second conditional, unreal present, and the main clause is in the third conditional, past perfect. Example: if it were snowing right now, I would have worn my heavy coat. Now it's your turn. Try to form sentences using these mixed conditionals. 1. If you, blank, to be more careful, you, blank, not to break your phone yesterday. 2. If I, blank, to have more time, I, blank, to learn more about art history in my youth. Remember, we use mixed conditionals to express the cause and effect relationship between things happening at different times. When using mixed conditionals, be careful with your verb tenses in both clauses. Practice regularly to get comfortable with these structures. And there we have it. We hope this lesson on mixed conditionals has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Remember, mastering these conditionals is a significant step towards sounding more like a native speaker. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and happy learning.